Hi, I am Luis, and I am going to speak about why the light received in my house is very expensive. In these last few months, the receipts in my house are going very expensive, so I gave myself to the task how I can solve this problem. In recent months, I see a big problem in the use of electricity in my city. I researching with my family as soon as his life receipt come out. My grandmother told me that at the beginning of the year he was paying 45 pesos, and now by October he was paying 900 pesos. And so this is very excessive, and it means that receipts are very expensive more and more because the electricity have a high demand in this world. In my research, I found too many alternatives to this problem that makes you have your own energy, because it takes automatically with the sun rays. I mean solar panels. This work on their own, and you don't have to pay for electricity since they capture the sun rays and produce energy. This is a great technology that no one has, supporting being a green alternative. Researching for the managers to find people opinions about this clean energy, and I saw many people do not use this method because the initial inversion can become very expensive. Trying to adapt a house of 118 meters, but in the long term this is much cheaper instead of paying electricity bills for electricity. The use of solar panels in Mexico has not been very received, since this will harm the CFE in terms of income, therefore not being very supported. The solar panels works as follows. You have to do installation on the roof of your house, where most of the days receive the rays of the sun to generate energy to your house. One day of rays of the sun gives you 2 or 3 days of energy to your house. In conclusion, I realized that there are great alternatives to making the use of electricity, and one of these the use of solar panels, as it is something very cheap in the long term, and you support the use for renewable energies, since this will be the future of using clean energies in the world.